This is Clint Locklear from Predator Control Group. We have Wolfer Nation, and join us on our Trapping Radio podcast every Friday. This is trappingradio2.com. And I just noticed something this morning that I thought would be really cool to share, because I know when me and Scott Welch talked about this, it's kind of hard to get a grasp on. So I'm going from my house over to our lure shed, and I've got fences out for my chickens, and we've been in a drought so bad that I can't move the fences because I can't get the fence back in. It's that hard. But it gave us a really neat learning opportunity here, guys, and I want to show you. If you look at this fence, it comes out on this edge, and then it goes back to where it just concaves in. Then up here I've got the ducks, and then straight out here is the edge of the fence. Now, when you go look at a lot of fence rows in woods, you see this. Now, let's pretend that all this fence you're looking at is brush, falling down trees, different things like this. Now, you will see, because we went in this drought all summer. This fence has been here way longer than I normally keep it. But me coming out of the door of my house, I come right up to the edge of the fence because I'm going to the lure shed several times a day. And then, you know, when you're thinking about trapping, it comes off of this outside point because it comes out and you can see the trail. And then the fence goes in, and then it comes all the way out to there. Now, see, just because I'm not a coyote doesn't mean I don't do the same thing. And this is one of the keys to learning about coyotes, is where to set these outside edges on fences, because they make a big difference. So if you're gonna trap big old Clint here, you can see the trail where it comes out of my door, and it comes right off this edge, and then it meets up with this other edge. But I don't walk into here because it's inefficient. So I don't do that. And the coyotes do the same thing, guys, when you're out there in the woods. Pretend this is brush and everything, like I said. So when you're looking at the sides of fields, pick your places where they make the best sense to catch the coyotes. It's not in there. It's on the point of that fence right there, or it's the point of this fence right here. Very simple principle, but it's hard to show in video a lot of times, especially out in the woods. Now, see, this brush right here, if this was not the fence, could come out. It could be a blow-down tree. It could be some privet growing. It could be high grass or blackberries or primrose or anything. And then it goes back into the woods where they got shade of trees. And then you've got something else out here where this fence is ending. And that's where you put the trap, because the coyote's going to go from the outside edge to the other outside edge. And you will see, without me thinking about this, I've got a trail burnt into the grass, because it's about halfway dead anyway, from point to point. So when you hear outside edges, that's what it means. So if you were going to catch me, you would set off the corner of this and the corner of that. And if you set over here where it goes back in, you're wasting your time, because I never go over there because it's not efficient for me to. So just keep that in mind. I know this is weird to be showing chickens in an electric fence for a coyote location, but I just noticed this, and I was like, that's exactly how you explain outside edges in a way that anybody can understand. So when they go out, they can catch more fur, and isn't that everybody's goal?